Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another great video here on board the Cruising Holden YouTube channel. Right now we're in Terminal A in Miami, and right behind me is the Oasis of the Seas. Today we're going to be boarding her for an amazing 7-night cruise, stopping at some amazing places, including Labadee, Haiti, Perfect Day, CocoCay, San Juan, Puerto Rico, and so much more. So we just did boarding, and this terminal is beautiful. So let's hop on the ship. So we just made it onto the ship, and I think it would be a fun thing to show you our cabin. So let's go in. So this is our room. Let me show you around. Alright, so when you first walk in, you have your door, obviously. Now making our way over here, you are going to find a door. This is the door to your amazing bathroom. Let me show you around. Right here you have your sink. Then over here you have your toilet, which is just your standard toilet. And then that's your thing that you use to flush the toilet. And then over here you have your capsule shower, which are on a lot of Royal Caribbean ships. And they're your standard little shower. They're pretty big. You have quite a bit of room. This is what I am in it. It's actually a pretty nice space. Now heading out of the bathroom, let's just shut this door. Now over here you have your bed. Sorry, it's a bit messy in the room currently. We kind of settled in, I guess. The bed, it's very nice, good sheets and all of that stuff. Very good bed, and it's perfect for any amount of cruise. You can fit 2 people in here, and yeah, it's very nice. Here you have, next to the bed, you have this closet. Now the closet, it's like a little door. At first I didn't see it. It's kind of blended in, but you have some shelving units here. You have your Royal Caribbean safe if you want to lock anything away, and then more shelves down here. We're storing some of our bathing suits and shoes. Now over here you have some hangers, and it's actually quite a big closet space. You can put some suitcases in it. And over here you have a very nice couch with a table. It is a very nice couch that will definitely be good to watch some TV on this TV. Now here you have your vanity space, which is a very nice vanity. You can do anything you need, like your makeup and all that stuff. And you also have some storage right here. And the last part of this room, which is the reason you book the room, is your boardwalk balcony. Take a look at this. You have an amazing view of the carousel and all the shops. You have the view of the back. It is such an amazing area and room. So yeah, that's what our cabin is going to look like for this cruise. It is definitely a nice cabin, and it's going to be perfect for us for the next fun-filled 7 days. Now we're going to head up to the top deck and watch the sail away of the Oasis of the Seas from Miami. Wow, what an amazing sail away. That was probably one of the best I've ever seen. Now we're gonna go head to the dining hall and get some dinner. Let's go do that.
Like, look, I have meat. Does this annoy you? I found that. Jenny, what did you...
Okay, so we just got back from dinner. It was amazing. I got a fruit bowl. I got some French fries. I got some chips and this amazing dip. I got some pasta with marinara sauce. And for dessert, I got a cookie, and I also got some chocolate ice cream. Needless to say, it was some great food. After such a great dinner, we decided we have to do something fun, right? So right now we're going to be heading onto the ship's carousel. Let's go take a ride. What a fun time on the carousel. Now we're gonna head to the music hall for a family game show, which is like majority wins. Let's go check it out.
What is something that you've done and will never do again?
Wow, what a fun game show. It was very cool. They would ask you a question, you would run up to the stage, give them your answers, and the last person to get off the stage would have to dance in front of the audience. I didn't get to dance, luckily. I would not have done that. Too scary. I don't dance in front of audiences. But needless to say, it was very fun. Now we're going to head back to our cabin, get our bathing suits, and we are going to go swimming. And boom, now we're changed, and let's go head to the pool deck. Okay, even though we were only on the pool deck for about 20 minutes, I'm going to head down to the room and I'm going to get out of my bathing suit. Then I'm going to head back onto deck. Maybe we'll go get a snack at Cafe Promenade. Who knows? Only time will tell. So let's go change. Right behind me is like a fake bus outside of Johnny Rockets. And you can actually go inside and it's 2 decks. So let's go check it out. Oh, this is so cute. We have a little driving area for the buses. We have kiddos. They can pretend to drive the bus. And then because it's a double-decker bus, we can hop up these stairs. Here we go. And wow, we are up on the 2nd deck of the bus. Ceilings are pretty low in here, but we do get a great view of the boardwalk. So if somehow you can find your way to fit through these really tiny stairs, this is actually quite a cool spot to visit. Well, that was very fun. If you're looking for some fun things, Johnny Rockets has a lot of interactive things outside of it, like that bus, there's a car, and yeah, so go check that out. Alright, I just relaxed in the room. I kind of took a power nap. If you can't tell, I sound a bit tired. But the time is currently around 11:45 and I'm heading down to the Royal Promenade because they are about to do the balloon drop. The balloons drop at midnight from the ceiling of the Royal Promenade, and I'm going to go watch it. It's gonna be fun. I don't know if they're doing a party or if it's just gonna be a quick countdown and then the balloons drop. I also know that after the balloons drop, there's gonna be a whole like cleaning up, and we have to help everyone clean up the balloons. So yeah. Wow guys, what a fun party. There was a lot of dancing, singing, and balloon popping. I really enjoyed it, and if you're on one of Royal Caribbean ships as of the time I'm filming this, which is April 2023, this party is on their ships, and I would definitely recommend trying it out. It is so fun. But now that it's after midnight, and I guess it's officially the next day, that means that I am going to head to bed. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give the video a thumbs up, and if you want to see more content in this Oasis of the Sea series, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell. So I will see you tomorrow. Tomorrow is a sea day on board, and we're gonna have a lot of fun, including some surprises along the way. So I'll see you then. My name's Holden, and you're watching Cruising Holden.